So now let's go back to uh, Microsoft Excel to learn about merging cells. As you can see, we are back to Microsoft Excel. So now let's put up a heading. For example, I want to write a heading that this has already shifted to different cells altogether, right? So there is about, let's say 4 cells, it has spilled over. The content has already spilled over. Now, one way to do is obviously that you drag this and you add it here. So you can drag it and you can add it here. But why am I going to do that? There is no point in doing that, no? Why do I need to drag it and add it there? Instead, what I can do is just go here and merge the cells. So select this and merge cells. Right? Again, Control Z and let's see how it's done. You select this, okay, and you see the content has anyway spilled over till here, right? You see this icon, this box icon with 2 arrows going in the sideways. It's called merge and center icon. You go here, go to the third one, which is merge cells, and you merge it. See, it has got merged. Now, why did I decide to merge it? Think about this. Let's go back. Now, you see this heading. One is if it's spilling over to other cells, you can obviously drag this, but do you think it's going to look good if you drag it? Because all the other cells which are there, yeah, all the other cells which are there, that anyway, it's a whole size will increase. Doesn't make any sense, right? The whole size is going to increase and it won't look good. But for example, if I, instead of doing that, yeah, instead of doing that, I select this thing and merge it, then it looks better. That means all the cells are in their same shape. There is no disproportionate cells, like one cell is stretched so long and other cells are like thin. No, that is not the case. All the text is also there, so you can read the text also. It's not wrapping here because you can also wrap, but wrap means that there are 2-3 lines. Heading is something that you would always prefer in one line, right? For example, if you're writing address, obviously you can do one thing is where when you add the address, you can wrap the text so that all the address fits in that box. Whereas for a heading, there is no point. When you are writing the heading, there is absolutely no point in making dragging the cells, right? It does not look good. So instead of that, what you can do is wrap this. Now let's say I want to add the information here. So I'll start writing the information. Right? So I have already added the details. Now, for example, I have decided that I want to add, I want to drag this. I don't want to drag it. Instead, I want to merge this and this and use it as one column, right? I want to merge address and roll number and want to make it one column. The moment you select this and you go here and you merge it, you see that a warning comes to you. Merging cells only keeps the upper left value and discards other values. So what you see is merging cells, as in if we are planning to merge these cells on the upper left value, this value will be there and the other values will be discarded. Once you click OK, as you can see that the address right now is one column, right? It's one column, one cell, and these 2 cells have become one cell. Now, if you see, and let's be very specific to it, it's not the whole columns have become one cell, right? Now, let's see what is center then. We have learned about merging cells. We know how to merge cells. Now we are going to learn about center. So let's go back to the presentation. Yeah. Now I can select the cells together, right? And then I can go here and do merge and center. You see, merge and center is the first option. Yeah. So, and then you're merging it. Isn't it nice? And you see, it's already center aligned. Again, let's Control Z it and see. Now we have, it has anyway spilled over. Take this, select it, go here, go to merge and center, which is the first option, right? Click on the merge and center, and you see this is already center aligned and it has merged the three cells together. In this way, you can merge and add all the cells together if you would want to. And the next thing that we have is currency formatting. What do we have next is currency formatting. Now, let's say I'll take another sheet, will be easier. Let's say there are products. So products, prices. Yeah. Now for products, I'll put the product's name. Here I'll write 50, 75, 45. Yeah. So I have put all the prices of the product. Now you see this, select all of them. Yeah, I've selected all of them. And you see this sign, the dollar sign here, accounting number format. So this is in home ribbon menu. In number itself, you will be able to check on the accounting number format, irrespective of whatever and whichever version you are using of Microsoft Excel. This will be present in the home ribbon menu, right? So you go here and you see there is, you can see dollar, euro, pound, yen, all this, different currency signs are already there. What you also see is something, the option called the more accounting format. So you go here and what you do is instead of here, as you can see the decimal places too. So it can be 50.00. And instead of the symbol, you can look for the Indian currency. So let's look for the Indian currency here. And as you can see the Indian currency here, right? So select on this and then do OK. And as you can see, the currency have been added. See, right, the currency have been added to each and every cell where the money, where we have put the prices. Similarly, now if you want to format it to a different account symbol, different currency symbol, you can do that as well. For example, you have Bitcoin here. You have different places dollar sign. Currency from all over the world, you will be able to find their